Hi guys, welcome back to Home Crooks. My name is Priya and today I'm popping in to teach you how to make a quick wreath for Christmas using pine branches and cypress branches. Let's get started. First I'm going to take the longest pine branches that I have gotten from my yard, and then I'm going to make a base by rounding them into a circle. Let me just wrap the thinnest jute twine that I have. You can use floral wire if you like, but I don't want to do that because I'm short on the length of the wire right now. So this is what I'm going to do. Tightly wind the branches with the yarn. Make sure you get a couple of knots in there so it doesn't loosen up, and cut it so it's barely visible. Now I'm going to add the second one. Now we are going to wrap it around like so. If it looks a little wonky and not a perfect circle, don't worry. When we add more layers to it, it's going to round up nicely. And now we tie the third one together. Now we add more branches and we are going to take this and bend it inward so it comes out as a circle. As you can see, the wreath is coming along. We are going to add a few more branches and then we are going to layer it up with our cypress. Now we are going to layer it up with some cypress branches and to make it more fuller and festive. So right now I'm just wedging these branches inside the pine branches, and later I'm going to tie them up. This way I can undo insertion if it doesn't seem fit for a particular space. So this is done, but I want to add a few ribbons and I don't have any other color right now, so I'm going with purple, but you can add red or maroon for a richer color contrast. But first I'm going to add a piece of twine to hang it up. Make sure it is tightly knotted, and then put it on the top of the wreath and hide it with the foliage so you have about this much space. And now I'm going to place the ribbons where I want them. First, let's make sure that all of these are about equal length. Now take a piece of twine, find the middle of the ribbon, and now we are going to place this through, making a knot once like so, and then you're going to tie this neatly to the wreath. you're going to do this for the other ribbons, and make sure this is facing the front. So let's make a bow now. Tie a knot and make 2 bunny ears, cross them over like so, and make a knot. So I'm thinking I'm going to give it one more knot, smaller than the first one. So we repeat the process. Make sure that it is smaller than the previous bows that you have made. And there you go. Now we repeat the process for the other 2. So here is the final look, but I feel I should add a ribbon right around here as well. So I'm going to do that. So we are going to repeat the process. Measure the ribbon, find the center, and I'm going to tie a knot there. And on it goes the wreath. Make sure the ribbon is facing the front of the wreath, and tie the knot around the back. And here is our easy last minute Christmas wreath that we made only using pine branches and cypress branches. You don't need a wreath base for this, so it comes out pretty easy and affordable. Let me know your thoughts on this. And before that, I'm going to adjust this bow right here. It's a little off. I feel like it would have been looked much better with red ribbons and bows, but I'm making do with whatever I have, and I think it came out looking pretty cute, and it was easy. It took me about 20 to 30 minutes to make it all up, and let me know if you give it a try at home, and share your results with us in the comments. Merry Christmas!